Hello everybody. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most extraordinary Chinese motorhomes ever built. The Feixiang RV Shuxinge S800, based on the legendary Iveco Daily chassis. At first glance, it looks like a premium Class C motorhome, but it hides a remarkable secret. With the push of a button, its hydraulic upper section rises to create a true two-story home on wheels. Inside, you'll find luxury features rarely seen even in high-end RVs, including 2 separate bedrooms, dual air conditioners, 2 full bathrooms, a VIP dining lounge, a karaoke entertainment system, a washing machine, and a built-in microwave oven. Combining innovative engineering, exceptional comfort, and the proven reliability of the Iveco Daily platform, the S800 is built for unforgettable adventures. In today's tour, we'll explore every detail that makes this incredible motorhome truly one of a kind. Now let's step inside and see what surprises this extraordinary transformer motorhome has in store for us. As soon as we enter, we're welcomed by a spacious and elegant VIP dining area. The modern furniture, premium materials, and large windows create a bright and luxurious atmosphere that immediately feels like home. From here, let's head straight upstairs and discover what makes this motorhome truly special. Climbing the staircase, we arrive at the second floor, where you'll find a spacious master bedroom. The centerpiece is a generous XXL bed, offering exceptional comfort and plenty of room to relax after a long day of travel. The bedroom is finished in a beautiful combination of light and gray tones, creating a modern, calm, and elegant living space. 2 large side windows, together with a compact panoramic skylight above, flood the room with natural daylight while providing wonderful views of your surroundings. Another impressive feature is the private bathroom located right on the second floor. Having a dedicated bathroom next to the bedroom adds an extra level of convenience rarely found in motorhomes. Inside the bathroom, you'll find a separate shower, a modern toilet, a sink, a roof ventilation hatch, and a small side window that provides additional natural light and fresh air. The shower walls are covered with a waterproof fabric material that effectively protects the interior from moisture and water splashes, while keeping the space lightweight and easy to maintain. Back in the bedroom, the large side windows continue to provide excellent natural lighting throughout the day, making the entire upper level feel open and welcoming. The spacious XXL bed remains the focal point of the room, offering a comfortable place to unwind while enjoying the peaceful surroundings. For added convenience, power outlets are installed next to the bed, allowing you to charge your phones, tablets, or other electronic devices with ease. Right beside them, you'll also find the control panel for the heating system, making it easy to adjust the interior temperature without leaving the bedroom. Just look at how spacious this bedroom is. It's hard to believe we're inside a motorhome. The generous headroom, bright interior, and open layout make this space feel more like a luxury hotel suite than an RV. Comfort is guaranteed in every season, thanks to a full-size air conditioner installed in the upper bedroom. Combined with the roof vent equipped with an electric fan, it ensures excellent airflow and a pleasant indoor climate, whether you're camping in the heat of summer or enjoying cooler evenings. Finally, every window throughout the bedroom is equipped with mosquito screens and blackout blinds. These provide privacy, protect against insects, and allow you to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep wherever your journey takes you. Every detail has been carefully designed to create a comfortable, practical, and luxurious living space that truly sets the Feixiang Shuxinge S800 apart from any conventional motorhome. Now let's take a look at the bathroom on the first floor. As we open the door, we're greeted by a fully equipped wet bathroom that combines practicality with modern design. Despite its compact footprint, it offers everything you need for comfortable everyday living on the road. The shower is a full-size unit with a handheld shower head, giving you plenty of space to freshen up after a day of adventure. A small side window brings in natural daylight while also providing extra ventilation. Just like the other windows throughout the motorhome, It's fitted with both a mosquito screen and a blackout blind for privacy and comfort. The bathroom is also thoughtfully equipped with convenient power outlets for electric accessories, along with several open storage shelves that keep your everyday essentials within easy reach. Above them, you'll find an additional overhead cabinet, providing even more storage space for toiletries and personal items. Moving over to the sink, you'll notice a full-size wash basin paired with a large white faucet that gives the bathroom a clean and modern appearance while making everyday use much more convenient. Completing the layout is a proper full-size toilet, offering the same level of comfort you would expect at home. Every detail has been carefully designed to make this first-floor bathroom both practical and comfortable for everyday travel. Now let's move over to the dining area, designed in a true VIP style. 4 luxurious captain seats, inspired by Maybach interiors, offer exceptional support and feature multiple electric adjustment options, allowing every passenger to find the perfect seating position for both relaxing and long-distance travel. Above the lounge, elegant LED spotlights create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the premium JBL sound system delivers outstanding audio quality throughout the cabin. Right beside it, there's a large LED display that becomes the centerpiece of the lounge, and an additional large television provides even more entertainment options, whether you're watching movies, sports, or simply relaxing after a day on the road. Beneath the window, next to one of the captain's chairs, you'll find a professional karaoke unit, allowing you to enjoy a true concert experience wherever your travels take you. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. Convenient power outlets and USB charging ports are positioned within easy reach, making it simple to charge your phones, tablets, laptops, and other electronic devices. Now let's move into the kitchen area. The kitchen is equipped with a modern 2-burner induction cooktop, complemented by a powerful range hood above, making cooking comfortable even when preparing larger meals. A large side window above the countertop fills the workspace with natural daylight, while also providing excellent ventilation. Mounted above the kitchen is a full-size air conditioner. Next to the induction cooktop is a deep stainless steel sink fitted with a folding faucet that provides additional workspace whenever needed. Another premium feature is the dedicated drinking water faucet, connected to a built-in water filtration system, giving you clean drinking water directly from the tap. Beside the kitchen, you'll find a large wardrobe with a built-in hanging rail, providing plenty of room for jackets, shirts, and other clothing. Above the wardrobe, there's an additional overhead storage compartment, making excellent use of every available inch of space. Another practical feature is located right underneath the staircase. Here, you'll find a full-size washing machine, making long-term travel much more convenient. Now, let's take a closer look at the kitchen storage. Starting at the bottom, there's a large drawer that offers plenty of room for pots, pans, dishes, and other cooking essentials. Right next to it is another spacious lower drawer, providing even more storage for kitchen equipment. Above them, you'll find an additional pull-out drawer that's perfect for cutlery, utensils, and smaller everyday items. Everything is thoughtfully organized to make cooking as convenient as possible. Above the entrance door is the Motorhome's Central Control Center. Here, you'll find 2 modern touchscreen displays that allow you to monitor and control many of the vehicle's onboard systems. Next to the entrance is another large storage cabinet. This multifunctional unit integrates a built-in microwave oven, allowing you to prepare or reheat meals quickly and easily while traveling. Directly below it is a large 2-compartment refrigerator. The upper section serves as the main refrigerator for fresh food and drinks. This impressive freezer capacity allows you to store a significant amount of frozen food, making the motorhome especially well-suited for extended off-grid adventures and long family trips. Now let's take a look above the driver's cab. Here we find a spacious overcab sleeping area that provides another comfortable place to rest. The sleeping area features 2 large side windows, along with a panoramic roof skylight, creating a bright and airy atmosphere throughout the day. The interior is finished in elegant white tones, making the space feel fresh, modern, and even more spacious. Next, let's move into the driver's cabin. The cockpit combines comfort with modern technology. At the center of the dashboard is a large multimedia display that provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. The dual-zone automatic climate control keeps both the driver and passenger comfortable in every season, while the automatic transmission makes driving smooth and effortless, especially during long journeys. The multifunction steering wheel keeps all essential controls within easy reach, without taking your hands off the wheel. The driver and passenger seats are upholstered in the same premium style as the living area, creating one consistent and luxurious interior throughout the entire motorhome. And finally, let's take a closer look at the transformer table. The showroom manager will now demonstrate how it unfolds and the different configurations it offers. Thanks to its clever design, the table can be quickly adjusted for dining, relaxing, working, or creating even more usable living space, making this VIP lounge as flexible as it is luxurious. Let's wrap up by taking a quick look at the overall specifications of the Feixiang RV Shuxinge S800. Built on the proven Iveco Daily chassis, this remarkable motorhome is powered by a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and excellent driving comfort. Measuring just 5,995 millimeters, it remains under the important 6-meter limit while offering an incredible amount of interior space. In driving mode, the motorhome stands 3,450 millimeters tall, but once the upper living module is raised, its height reaches an impressive 5,100 millimeters, transforming it into a true 2-story home on wheels. Inside, you'll find 2 separate bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a luxurious VIP dining lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious overcab bed, dual air conditioners, a washing machine, a microwave oven, a professional karaoke system, and plenty of storage throughout the interior, making it perfectly suited for extended family adventures. Its off-grid capabilities are equally impressive. The S800 features a 260-liter fresh water tank, a 160-liter gray water tank, and a 100-liter fuel tank. The electrical system includes 1,280 watts of solar panels, a 48-volt system with a 400 ampere-hour lithium battery, and a powerful 5,000-watt inverter, providing enough energy to comfortably power the motorhome for extended periods away from civilization. The Feixiang Shuxinge S800 proves that Chinese manufacturers are redefining luxury RV design with bold engineering, innovative technology, and premium comfort. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.